It is finally the time to try
VEGEMITE! The Australian signature.
Okay, so Itty has lived here for 7 years and has not tried Vegemite.
Shame.
Yeah, that's a huge shame. It's like messed up. So you get to be our first tester.
No, why me?
Okay.
We can try it together.
So we are going to really try this right. We're gonna try it just it by itself, and then we're gonna spread it on some toast with some butter because that's what all the Australians told us to do. Mind you, a lot of Australians have told me that they don't like Vegemite. And so we'll see. You've got some.
I guess like 1 in 10 of them like Vegemite.
Yeah,
maybe.
Like this is
my
what you're
guessing.
supposed to have in Australia, but like no Australian likes it. Like very few. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I have my rice milk with me.
I have my water. It's not gonna do me any good.
Okay.
Okay.
So open it. Let's do
okay.
this.
So, okay, let's just talk about what this is. First, it is a yeast extract. That's like all it is. The ingredients are yeast extract from yeast grown on barley and wheat, salt, mineral salt, malt extract, color, flavors, and some vitamins. Like,
sounds healthy.
it's literally just yeast. Like, we're just gonna eat some yeast.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. No.
Okay, that's not how I thought it would look.
Looks like chocolate.
Oh, it's got a very,
Wanna smell it?
okay, it doesn't smell bad. I don't know what that smells like. You know what? It smells like dog food, like, not, but not like in a bad way, but those like dog treats, the rubbery ones.
Oh, yeah.
So we're eating dog food. Okay, so were we just gonna, how big?
I'll follow you.
Like, is that too much?
Yeah, I'll take half.
Okay, I'm taking this. How much do you have?
Half? Okay, I'm gonna get more.
Okay, we didn't really bring, this is not gonna help me at all.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Gumbe.
I don't wanna try.
Oh, it's strong.
Oh.
Oh. It's not that it's bad, but it's really strong.
It's very salty. I thought you don't like fish.
There's no fish in this. It's really like fumes are going up. It's like really strong.
I never tried dog food, but I think it tastes like dog food.
I don't like this at all. Okay, 1 second. That's disgusting.
Oh, you tried the whole thing? I think I cheated. Because I didn't have the whole.
Smell it? You didn't even can I smell it? You didn't even like put it in your mouth.
I did. I did.
Are you serious?
Like this much.
Yeah, well look at mine. Are you kidding me right now? I was like, why are you not reacting the way I'm reacting? This is bull.
That's caution.
Oh my god, you didn't even like, you tapped it with your tongue. Are you serious right now?
I'm gonna try it with the toast.
I am let down. Let down.
So
now we have toast.
with the butter.
You're putting way more than that. That's ridiculous.
Okay.
I licked it clean. Okay.
That's how much I'm gonna put it on. Okay.
Oh no, I'm getting Vegemite on your butter.
Oh. That's
I hope I get a lot of Vegemite on your butter. I'm gonna put a lot of butter. Like extra butter. So now we put the Vegemite. You need to like, but people did say put only a little bit. Okay, yeah, but
just a little
that
bit,
wasn't the point of this. Like, is this how much you're supposed to put? I don't know if this is right, but I'm just kind of like smearing it a little bit. Yeah, you get like big chunks. Yeah, you do, because you didn't even do anything the last
I
time.
don't want to ruin the toast and the butter.
Oh yeah, look at that difference.
What did I sign up for?
All ready?
Okay.
Cheers. This is fine. I can deal with this.
Still pretty salty.
It's really salty. I definitely don't really like it.
But I think the butter evens out the...
But this is not gross.
Yeah.
It just kind of tastes like somebody put a lot of salt on my butter. But it's not bad.
Well, fine.
This is no problem.
But I don't
It's not
understand
fishy
why
at all.
people like it.
Well,
Like,
I can understand it because I like to put salt on butter and toast.
really?
Yeah. Maybe it's an American thing and an Australian thing. I don't know. So this tastes like putting salt on it. It's fine to me. The other way is disgusting. I can't believe you.
I won't have it anymore.
Alright, well, we officially tried Vegemite. We've got some spectators here who haven't tried it.
We are invisible.
You guys have also lived in China for like 7 years.
This one's fine.
It's just salty.
Yeah. It tastes like you put soy sauce like on the bread.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it.
Eva, have you tried it?
Oh.
It's not that bad. You just said it tastes like soy sauce. Just picture soy sauce.
Oh my god.
She's having a moment.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. I can't describe it. Oh. Do you wanna go extreme and try it by yourself?
Wait, I think you should.
No, why? Okay.
Because you didn't before. Yeah.
I think Eva likes it.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's like condensed milk with some weird taste. It's like milk. Some ice milk. It's a chaos.
I'm going to have some ice cream.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is hilarious. What, you guys don't eat this in China?
Huh?
You don't eat this in China?
Not at all.
It's just like soy sauce.
Soy sauce, but sauce is better than that.
Too strong. You're from Sichuan and you think that's too strong?
Soy is too strong.
Oh my gosh. All right, well, that concludes the tasting. Everybody left the table but me. I don't think it's that bad.
Well, you can have it all.
I don't want it all.
The whole bottle is yours.
Okay, I'll take it as a souvenir.